Hello and welcome to EC Auto Repair. My name is Jesse and I'm so glad that you came in to visit with us and to see us. We're obviously here to take care of you and your car needs. So wanted to let you know a little bit about our four-step process. And so here's what you can expect. A lot of our new clients especially come to us because they either need tires or an oil change. We obviously do full service. We are a full service shop. We do transmission work, we do engine work, we do all sorts of maintenance repairs. However, most people come to us because they need an oil change. They're going to come in and here's what you can expect next. We'd like to tell you a little bit about our four-step process. You're going to come in, we're going to go ahead and pull the vehicle around back. One of my certified technicians will take a look at the vehicle and begin the oil maintenance process. In the meantime, you and I will go back out there, or whoever the advisor is that is advising you on your car and taking good care of you. In about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll go back there and learn if there's anything that you deserve to know about on the car. The technician will go over his findings with you on the car. If there is anything you deserve to know about, any recommended services or maintenance items to keep your car running, because let's face it, especially in today's economy, your car is a super big investment. Used car prices are very high. New cars are even higher. So it only makes sense to be able to take great care of the vehicle that you have so that you can get the most out of it in the long run. So my name is Jesse. So glad that you came in. We would love for you to come in. Stop by and say hi. We'll tell you more about our four-step process once you're here.